Q&A time here at The Cave. I'm Adam Savage. You've been submitting your questions to hashtag AskAdamSavage on Twitter, and I'm going to answer one of those questions right now from Adam Reedman. If money, time, etc. wasn't a factor, which full-size working prop would you want to make? He said, when asking this, all I could think of was the Iron Giant. Well, a full-size Iron Giant would be neat, but I'm not sure you'd be able to get it to work. And I kind of try and bound my desires into the physical world. I'm not saying that everyone should. It's just my nature to do that. So being totally space obsessed right now, I'm really into the idea of a full-size Mercury capsule. I have no idea where I would store it, but that definitely, I'm all about cockpits these days. So it's like a full-size Millennium Falcon cockpit would be amazing, or a lunar rover. Oh, a lunar rover would be really, really cool. Wow, that might actually be it right there, the lunar rover. Yeah, you know, Greg Nicotero, one of the producers on Walking Dead and Master Zombie Man and Master Effects guy, completed recently one of the pods from 2001, a full-size pod, and it was actually in an exhibit at the Smithsonian, and I didn't get a chance. I wasn't in D.C., and I didn't get a chance to get to D.C. to go see that. I was talking to him when he was working on it. That is a really, really awesome full-size prop. I have also at one point wanted to replicate the memory room, or at least a wall of the memory room from the end of 2001. This is a long list. I'm going to need some time to think this one through. But a lunar rover with those wire mesh tires, I fully recognize it's meant to work in 1/6 gravity, and if you wanted it to work here on Earth, you'd have to make it more robust. But like, I look so often at some of that moon hardware, and it just would be so much fun to put on a spacesuit and drive around a rover, right? Yeah. Yeah, I'm going with a rover or one of those cockpits. Even the command module of them. Nope, yeah, okay. I'm stopping there at the cockpits. Thank you for that awesome question. Today's answer was a little short, but that's just because I had a ready answer. Thank you so much. Please keep submitting your questions to Twitter, hashtag AskAdamSavage, or in the comments below, and we will keep getting to them.